How to search for people on Badoo. First, open your Badoo app and log into your account. Tap on the source icon or people nearby or encounter section, usually at the bottom of screen. Here you can filter your search by age, location, gender, and interest. This helps you find exactly the type of people you want to meet. Scroll through the list of profiles. If you like the profile, swipe right, or if you don't like the profile, swipe left. If you like someone, you can send messages like their profile and add them to favorite. Remember to be polite and friendly. This is a fun way to match quickly. Adjust filter anytime to narrow down your search and meet new people closer to your preference. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.